Hello everybody, welcome to Space Science. In today's topic we will know about Andromeda Galaxy. The galaxy is named after Princess Andromeda from Greek mythology. It lies in the Andromeda constellation, visible in the northern hemisphere. The Andromeda Galaxy, M31, is the nearest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, located about 2.537 million light-years from Earth. Andromeda has a diameter of about 220,000 light-years, making it larger than the Milky Way, which is around 100,000 to 150,000 light-years wide. The core of Andromeda has two bright centers, which may be the result of a past galactic merger or a central black hole interacting with stars. At the center of Andromeda is a supermassive black hole about 100 million times the mass of the Sun, much larger than the Milky Way's central black hole. Andromeda is absorbing smaller galaxies, leaving behind tidal streams, arcs, and shells of stars, evidence of its violent merger history. It's a barred spiral galaxy, like the Milky Way, with a bright central bulge and sprawling arms made of stars, gas, and dust. Andromeda completes one rotation of its galactic disk roughly every 225 million Earth-years, similar to the Milky Way. While the Milky Way has around 200 to 400 billion stars, Andromeda may contain over a trillion stars. On a clear, dark night, you can actually see Andromeda with the naked eye from Earth. It appears as a faint, fuzzy patch in the constellation Andromeda. Andromeda has at least 14 known satellite galaxies, including M32 and M110, just like the Milky Way has the Magellanic Clouds. Before the 1920s, astronomers believed Andromeda was a cloud or nebula inside our galaxy. Edwin Hubble proved it was a separate galaxy, changing our understanding of the universe forever. Andromeda and the Milky Way are the two largest galaxies in our local group, a small cluster of more than 50 galaxies. Unlike most galaxies that show redshift, moving away, Andromeda shows blueshift, meaning it's moving toward us. It's the only major galaxy approaching the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a direct collision course with the Milky Way and is expected to merge with it in about 4 to 5 billion years. Despite the massive scale, the collision won't be violent. Because stars are so far apart, it's unlikely that any will actually collide. Instead, the two galaxies will slowly merge in a cosmic dance, eventually forming a new, larger elliptical galaxy, often nicknamed Milkomeda. Earth is expected to survive the event, though its view of the night sky will change dramatically as the galaxies combine. As the galaxies interact, their clouds of gas and dust will collide and compress, potentially triggering a burst of new star formation. This is known as a starburst phase and may light up parts of the galaxy with newborn stars. The solar system might be flung to a different part of the new galaxy, but it will likely remain intact. However, Earth's night sky will look dramatically different, filled with bright new star clusters and possibly even Andromeda's stars swirling in view. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more space science, and follow us on Instagram at space.science.